Best deals.
1. Organizer. The 3-tier bathroom countertop organizers and storage stand is made of high-quality metal, which can withstand heavy loads and maintain stability. The shelf is sturdy to use and easy to clean, rust-proof and waterproof, no need to install and freestanding. Designed with a central 360 degrees universal roller layer, the staired shelf bathroom countertop organizer allows smooth movement and effortless turning, making things well organized and orderly stored. It's stylish and attractive, suits any kitchen settings. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Drainer basket. This vessel stand for kitchen steel offers reliable support as it has a sturdy structure that withstands the weight of your dishes and utensils during everyday use. Plate rack maximizes your countertop space since it allows plates to dry upright, so you can have more room to prepare your meals. Utensil stand provides secure storage for your dishes and cutlery, as it holds them in place until they are ready to be put away. Organizer ensures that your cooking tools stay neatly arranged because it provides dedicated spaces that keep everything accessible when needed. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Oven stand. Equipped with 3 strong hooks, it is ideal for hanging towels, oven gloves, kitchen utensils, accessories, etc. Let your kitchen utensils no longer have nowhere to be placed. Oven rack has a strong load capacity of 25 kilograms. Seasonings, cutlery, and even microwave ovens can be placed on the top shelf. Extendable kitchen counter shelf comes with the tools and the instruction included. Installation can be finished very soon. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Spice rack. Feature a thoughtful design that optimizes storage space and functionality. It typically includes multiple shelves and compartments that provide ample storage for your cookbooks, kitchen items, bathroom storage rack. 2-tier storage organizers also come with additional features like hooks and towel racks for added convenience. The metal kitchen stand is constructed using high-quality materials. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Glass and spoon stand. Maximize your storage space with this compact organizer, effectively utilizing vertical storage and keeping your glasses and cutlery easily accessible, providing a sleek and modern look that complements any kitchen. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Dish drying basket. Uses premium materials so you get a durable and reliable product. This kitchen item steel rack fits in any corner of your kitchen so you can maximize your space regardless of the layout. Looks great while it keeps your kitchen tidy so you can impress guests with both order and aesthetics. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Triangle storage. Comes with 360 degrees swivel wheels that offer easy mobility, letting you move the trolley from kitchen to pantry or dining area with ease. Features multiple spacious and stackable baskets perfect for organizing fruits, vegetables, snacks, groceries, and kitchen tools. Ideal for kitchen, bathroom, living room, laundry, or office. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Belin and Chakla stand. Made of premium metal which makes it strong and durable for long-term purpose in the kitchen and provide pure customer satisfaction with the quality. It provides a dedicated spot for your Belin and Chakla, ensuring they are always within reach when you need them. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Plate rack. Seamlessly integrate with your kitchen's interior, adding a touch of sophistication to your space. Racks accommodate various plate sizes, ensuring convenient storage. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Drying basket. Hollow design. There is a diversion tray at the bottom which is easy to drain and there is a special small drain place to place chopsticks and spoons. The chopsticks and dishes placed separately which is very convenient. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Wall mount stand. Can be easily mounted on the wall using long, deep-threaded screws for a secure and stable installation. Once fixed, it stays firmly in place, no wobbling, no slipping, and definitely no falling. Designed to maximize vertical space. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Microwave stand. Built with high-strength powder-coated metal, the stand offers exceptional durability and load-bearing capacity. ideal for supporting heavy kitchen appliances with stability. Designed for convenience, it comes with clear instructions and all necessary hardware. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Fruit and vegetable basket. Minimalist design blends seamlessly into an elegant, modern kitchen. The sleek, smooth lines and modern finish add sophistication and the gently curved sides add a touch of grace to this functional countertop organizer. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Countertop organizer. Multifunctional design is suitable for storing various makeup and skincare products. High layer spacing allows storage of tall bottles without space limitations. Transparent acrylic frame provides a sleek, modern look while ensuring visibility of stored items. Compact and space-saving, ideal for vanity tables, bathrooms, or countertops. Stylish aesthetic, black and clear acrylic design adds elegance to any space. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Oven stand. Accommodates most of your spices and bottles and also make it look simple and elegant. The removable panels help adjust according to your needs. It's compact and lightweight yet durable, offers longevity. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Under sink storage organizer. The stainless steel rods expand from 50 to 68 centimeters, allowing for customization based on your space. Each side of the frame features 2 screw holes for optimal height installation. This multifunctional shelf unit is easy to clean and install, providing a safe and durable solution for creating additional storage space in your home. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Dish drying organizer. The convenient drainage tray collects the excess water from the drying utensils and makes it easy to drain the water to keep the utensils dry. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Shelf stand. Extendable rack for kitchen with stainless steel rods, making it a better choice than shelves for kitchen made with white or black iron rods. You can trust our shelf rack as it can effortlessly hold weight of over 7 kilograms of lightweight items when evenly distributed. Putting together this kitchen cabinet rack is super easy. The package includes a manual with detailed assembly instructions, and it's easy to install and can be set up in minutes, with no tools required. This microwave stand has a stylish design that adds a contemporary and appealing look to your home. Additionally, the rods of adjustable rack come with caps to ensure your safety during installation. This versatile expandable multipurpose rack, the perfect solution to your storage needs. With this extendable rack for storage, you can maximize your space and organize any area of your home with ease. It can function as a kitchen organizer, including as a countertop microwave shelf, cabinet, under sink, or side rack. Product link is given in the 18th link.